Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. My voice is clear and everything is fine. Good evening, everyone. I know this is the morning for most of the people who are joining from USA location. So today we are going to discuss about the Oracle DBA technology. What we are going to do in the Oracle DBA, what are the responsibilities as a Oracle DBA, what is this job about Oracle DBA, how is the career in Oracle DBA, what we do as a Oracle DBA in the daily DBA life. So all these things we are going to discuss with our today's lecture. So today's lecture is mainly important for the people who want to know about the Oracle DBA, who want to start their career as a Oracle DBA. There may be a lot of people coming from the background which are completely non-technical background. So what is the scope for them in this technology? All these things we are going to discuss. Before I start with the technical things and all, I want to brief about myself. My name is Ankush Chauri. I am the founder of Learnome Technologies, and we do provide the training on different technologies like Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, Golden Gate, SQL Linux, PLSQL. Then we have data science, data engineer, and multiple other technologies we do provide. So uh, now let's talk about the other things, but before that I want to understand that can you please use the chat option and say whether you can hear me, whether you can see me. Is it my voice is clear, guys? Can you please confirm that once? Okay, all right, yes, okay, so I can see that. Fine, everyone is okay. Now let me share my screen and I will just open this notepad, OneNote, to make you understand much better. Okay, so coming to the IT, coming to the terminology like IT industry, like there are many people they want to start their career into the IT industry. But again, like people are thinking that boss, I don't know coding. How can I start the Oracle? How can I start my career into the IT industry? See, when you want to start your career into IT industry, don't think that every time you need to understand the programming. You don't need to do a coding. There are multiple technologies are there in the IT industry where you don't need to write down the code also. Single line of code you don't need to write down. Maybe you are coming from the background where you don't have any knowledge about the coding or programming. Okay, that's okay. Still you can easily start your career into the IT industry because there are multiple technologies available into the IT industry where you don't need to write down any code also. Among that, the one technology which I'm talking about, that is called Oracle DBA. So if you see our history, there are back to back people are starting their career into the Oracle DBA. I have three candidates from last 3 days. They are coming from the BSc background. Okay, they are BSc Agri, BSc plain BSc is there. So these people are not from any programming skill set. They are the people who are coming from completely non-technical background, and now these people are working as a Oracle DBA. They have already joined the company also. Now if you are coming from any background, let's say you are coming from BSc, maybe you are coming from BCom, maybe you are coming from BPO, maybe you are coming from application support or any other field, BA, BCom, anyone. Even I have a people who have joined from HR department to IT industry. All these people can easily start their career into Oracle DBA because Oracle DBA is the field where you don't need to write down any single line of code also. it is a technology which is comparatively very easy, and anyone can start their career into the IT industry. So now I'll tell you one more trend nowadays what happening. If you take the example of testing also, see what happened, like when I was the part of college and I don't know programming, so people were thinking that okay, testing is the field where you don't need to write down the code. So everyone was moving to the testing environment. But do you know what's happening nowadays? This testing is of two types. One is called manual testing, okay, and another testing is your automation testing, okay. Now manual testing means you are going to do the testing manual way. Like I'll tell you one example. Let's say you have one web application is there or web form is there, you want to test that, so manually you are doing that. When you were doing manually, you don't need to write down any code. So this was the manual testing which was without writing down any code. But nowadays there is no demand in the manual testing. If you see the current news, there are multiple companies, they are laying off these manual testers. There is a scope of automation, but when you want to automate something, you need to write down the code, right? You need to write down the code, but the problem is people don't know how to write down the code. So those people who have started their career as a manual tester, they are trying to switch into the automation, but the problem is they don't know how to write down the code. So what these people are doing, instead of going into the automation, see, if they know coding, why they will go into the testing? They can directly go into the development, right? And development have good package also compared to the testing. But they are in testing because they don't know coding. But the problem is that they are not capable to learn automation also. So that's the reason I have seen that many tester or many testing people are moving to the Oracle DBA nowadays. Many testing people are there, they are moving to the Oracle DBA because this is an administrative skill set. And whenever you are talking about administrative kind of things, here coding is not required. Without coding also you can start your career. And that is the reason from our institute, there are many people, they are able to start their career from non-technical to the technical by understanding this Oracle DBA. And I'm always saying that don't just rely on the one technology. You can learn other technologies also. When you start your career as a Oracle DBA, you can definitely start your career with from the Oracle DBA you can learn multiple other things, right? So from Oracle DBA you can learn multiple other things, like you can learn about the cloud also, and many other things are there. DevOps is there, many other things. But the thing is, here you don't need to write down any code. So if you think that I am the person who is not capable to write down the code, I would suggest to start with the Oracle DBA. Many people are also doing lot of rumors, but I'll tell you that since you are not working anywhere, you don't have anything to lose, right? So why you are not starting your career as a DBA? So that's the funda. I want to tell everyone that okay, DBA is a good field, database administration. Now we'll talk about some of the technical terminologies of Oracle DBA, like what we do as a DBA. Okay, we understand that who can do the Oracle DBA. Now I want to understand how to start the career as a Oracle DBA. That we will talk about. But till now, whatever we are discussing, are you able to understand? Till now, can you please use the chat option and say if you are able to understand whatever I'm trying to say? Okay, I see yes. Salkam is saying yes. Sheikh is saying yes. Soba, yes. Okay, nice. Yes, okay. All right. So now let's try to understand about how you can start your career as a Oracle DBA. Now, if you want to kickstart your career as a Oracle DBA, the first thing that you need to learn is SQL. That is called structure query language. So that is the first thing that you need to learn. Once you are comfortable with the SQL, second thing you need to learn is Linux. And once you are thinking that okay, I know that SQL and Linux, there are many people in this, there may be a lot of people in this meeting, they are pretty much good with the SQL and Linux. And if you think that you are good with the SQL and Linux, now you can directly start your career as a Oracle DBA. But if you are among the people who don't know SQL, Linux, don't go with the Oracle DBA directly. We need to go one by one. We need to go first SQL, then Linux, and then Oracle DBA. Because when you talk about the database, when you say that, when I'm saying that I'm becoming Oracle DBA, so let's assume that this is my Oracle. This Oracle is available on Linux. This Oracle will be there on Linux. Now this can be your Red Hat Linux or any other Linux. So you are going to have a Oracle Linux or Red Hat Linux, and on the top of it, you are going to install your database. So in order to talk to the database, when you want to talk to the database, you need SQL. When you want to talk to the Linux operating system, that time you need Linux command. You should know Linux command. So if you want to know what is the roadmap to become Oracle DBA, the roadmap is very simple. First learn SQL, then learn Linux, and then you can learn Oracle DBA. That is the roadmap to start your career as a Oracle DBA. And once you are becoming Oracle DBA, we have a people. You don't need to see. In IT, you don't need to stop at one place. You should keep on learning. You should keep on learning. Once you are comfortable with the Oracle DBA, then you can learn the advanced technology of Oracle DBA. We called it as the RAG DBA. We called it as a Golden Gate. You can also learn about the Cloud DBA. You can learn about the Exadata. There are many other technologies out there which you can learn one by one. Because in IT, every time you need to keep on updating yourself. If you think that okay, I know this technology and I'm done now, I don't want to learn anything, that's not the case. The IT is all about the learning. Today you are learning, tomorrow also you are going to learn. Because if you want to increase in your package, you need to keep on learning. And that's the funda of IT industry. So what is the roadmap of Oracle DBA? First learn SQL, then learn Linux, then Oracle DBA, then RAG DBA. Likewise, you need to learn one by one technology. And we do provide the training from the very scratch. And that is the reason we have the best result in the market for the Oracle DBA. And if you want to learn all this technology free of cost, if you think that okay, I don't want to spend money, I have a capability to learn myself, no worries. We have a free platform also available, that is YouTube. I have a YouTube channel with the name Learnome Technologies. Okay, go to our channel. We already have around 16,000 plus Oracle DBA followers on our YouTube channel. 16,000. Why these people are following to us? Because they know that we have a best content. Now if you go to our website, this youtube.com, and if you search here with the, if you go here, you can see there is a channel called Learnome Technologies. You can go here like this and see. So see here, Learnome Technologies, around 16,000, and we have uploaded around 882 videos also. All videos are based on the multiple technology, including your Oracle DBA, SQL, Linux, many other technologies are there. So if you think that you want to learn free of cost, no worries. You can learn from this YouTube channel also. Go to this YouTube channel, subscribe today, and try to understand whenever we get at free time, we are uploading the free videos on this YouTube channel. And 16,000 only on Oracle DBA, it's a huge count, guys. It's not an entertainment channel. It is a channel related to the educational things. You can see all the things, whatever I have explained here, everything is practically explained. Everything is practically explained. So we are trying hard to make you understand about this technology. And if you think that okay, you want everything from the scratch, like why people are joining the training, because they want to know what thing needs to be read first, right? There will be index, right? Okay, this is the first thing. There are many people, they need a mentor to talk about this technology. See, if I want to learn any new technology, what I will do myself, I will try to understand. Okay, that is good thing. But if you want to understand in a sequence with the proper manner, you need to join some training center. So even whenever I want to learn something personally, I join the training center and I learn from them. And whatever we are learning, we are getting all that issues in our real time production environment. And that's how we are learning the things. It's been 10 years uh, to me into the IT industry. I already got the opportunity to work with the very big MNCs, multinational companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T, and small based companies also I work. So it was a nice time to learn all these technologies within these 10 plus years of experience. And we are, daily also we are trying hard to understand all these technologies. So what I understood while working with these many companies, these many projects, SQL and Linux are very essential technology. You go anywhere. See, if you want to start your career into the Oracle DBA, you should know SQL Linux. If you want to start your career as a DevOps engineer, you should know SQL Linux. You want to start your career as a cloud engineer, you should know SQL and Linux. If you want to start your career as a Java developer, you should know SQL and Linux. Any developer, any programmer, any administrator, any tester, SQL and Linux is very important. Even applications up, even if you want to start your career into the application, you should know SQL and Linux. So that's the thing which I want to tell you, like, start with the SQL and Linux. Start with SQL, then start with Linux, and then if you think that Oracle DBA, you can definitely is the good option to start with this. And in future, wherever you want to go, okay, we are not going to stop you. In future, if you want to move from Oracle DBA to some other technologies, you can do that. That's not a problem. So now what we do as a Oracle DBA, we'll try to understand that. But before I go to that, what we do as a Oracle DBA, what is my responsibility? Before that, I want to understand whatever we have discussed till now. Are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and say yes or no? Okay, so I think yes, Shekha is saying yes, Mallika is saying yes, Sakshi is saying yes. Okay, Pradeep is saying yes, 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 yes. Okay, nice. So now we got to know about all those things, okay? Now we'll try to understand that what is my responsibility as a Oracle DBA, what I do, okay? We are becoming Oracle DBA, but we should know, right, what I'm going to do in the office. Otherwise it will be a problem, right? How to do that, I'm going to train you. But what you're going to become, see, some people will start their career into the IT industry. But what we do in IT industry, right? When I was in the engineering time, I know that I'm becoming a software engineer. So some people were saying that you are going to develop a software. Some people are thinking that you are going to design laptop or computer. So these many different kind of ideas were coming in the mind. So don't worry about that. I'll tell you what we do as a Oracle DBA. So I'll tell you one small example to make you understand that what we do as a Oracle DBA. I'll tell you a small example. See, let's say you are going to the bank, okay? Let's say you are a person, this is the person, and he is going to the bank, right? What he will do? You are going to the bank And in the bank, you're visiting this bank, and they will give you one form, right? They will give you one form. And nowadays Yono application is there if you use SBI, and you want to create a new account. So what you will do, you will enter your first name, last name, gender, salary, address, all the details you will fill, and there will be a button called submit button. So as soon as you are clicking on the submit button, your details will be stored somewhere, right? When you click on the submit button, that details needs to be stored somewhere, right? All your account details, your account will be created, and your account details will be stored into some database. Where? In the database. And in that database there will be some tables. Let's say there is a table called account table. So in that account table, your data will be stored here like this. Not only your data, whoever is going to fill up that form, there all the data will be stored over here in the account table. Now where the table, the table will be the part of your database. Okay. So basically you have a database, and database is going to store your data. Database is going to store your data. It can store your account related data, it can store your finance related data, it can store your data related to the loan, it can store your data related to the deposit. You have a huge amount of data, right? A single person can have different account number. All that data will be stored under database, and these databases are provided by the multiple companies. So there is a database called Oracle. There is a company called Oracle. They are providing Oracle database. There is a company called Microsoft. They are providing SQL Server database. Then we have MySQL database. Then we have PostgreSQL database. Likewise, we have a different databases are there. See, now this SBI is going to use some database, right? SBI is a company. It's a company, right? You can say it's a government company who is using one database. So SBI will take a decision that which database is better to store my data. So SBI is thinking that okay, Oracle is a good database which I can use to store my client related data. My user related data will be stored by Oracle database. So they will use Oracle. Now what is my responsibility? To make sure that this database is up and running. That is my responsibility as a Oracle DBA. My responsibility as a Oracle DBA is to make sure that this database should be up and running. Because if this database goes down, you need to understand that if this database goes down, do you think that you will be able to create account? No, because database is the one which is going to hold the data. Who is holding the data of account related database? Whenever you go to the bank, right, many times they are saying that server issue hai, right? Because there may be some issues related to the database, there may be some issues related to the server, but what server is holding? The server is holding this database only. So this is my server and this is my database. Now this server can be of Windows, this server can be of Linux, it can be anything. This server can be of Windows, this server can be of Linux, anything. So that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. So that is the reason, okay, I'm very much important to tell you that what we are going to do. The main responsibility as a Oracle DBA is to do the administration of your Oracle database. See, nowadays, as I'm saying that there are multiple databases can be there, right? Now the databases can be from Oracle. So those people who are using Oracle database, so this database will be handled by Oracle DBA. Those people who are using MySQL, they are becoming MySQL DBA. Those people who are using some other database like PostgreSQL, they are going to become PostgreSQL DBA. Then those people who are using SQL Server database, they are becoming SQL Server DBA. So don't think that you are the only one DBA in the market. There are multiple DBA, but we are talking about the Oracle DBA. So whenever there is an opening in the market, maybe on any platform, you should know you are going to start your job as a Oracle DBA. Wherever, whatever projects, there is not a single company which I have seen which they are not using Oracle. You take the example of TCS, Techem, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, LTI, anyone. Or in all the projects, in all the companies, they are having Oracle related projects are there. They have projects related to the Oracle DBA. If you take the example of Citibank, UBS, Dutch Bank, any big company, or any big bank also, even SBI, HSBC, all these big giants, they are using Oracle database. And in order to run that Oracle database, they need Oracle DBA. Do you think that anytime the bank will be the bank transaction will get stopped? Do you think that? No, right? So if the bank transaction is not going to stop, the DBA jobs will be there, right? Maybe if there is a recession, they will not open new bank, but at least whatever banks are there, it will be there, right? So in order to run all this bank, to store their huge amount of data, to manage their databases, they need Oracle DBA. That is called Oracle Database Administrator. Able to understand, guys, till now? Can you please use the chat option to say yes, no, whatever it is till now? Okay, nice. So we got to know that what we are going to do as a Oracle DBA. We got to know one more thing, that there are many companies out there which are hiring for Oracle DBA also. Now if you go to if you go to here, and if you just search here like Oracle DBA jobs, okay, you will see plenty of jobs are there, right? See all the big companies, like see here Amdocs, TCS, Atos. If I click on the 100 plus jobs, see you will see all the big companies, you know, LTI Mindtree, I just discussed about that, Vodafone, Michelle, then we have Diverse, then we have Pentagon Space, there are Fragus, Wipro, UBS, it's a big giant, right? So all these big companies are there, Zensas, they are hiring for Oracle DBA. Okay, so you should be ready to start your career as a Oracle database administrator. You should know that how you can start your Oracle DBA, and for that only we are going to help you out the step by step how to start your career as a Oracle DBA. Now we are going to start our new batch of Oracle DBA, okay, very soon. We are starting new batch of Oracle DBA from the next week, and we have a separate batches are available for SQL. We have a separate SQL plus Linux. Then we have a batch for Oracle DBA. We have a batch for RAG DBA. So right now the one which we are going to start a Oracle DBA training, this is the batch which we are going to start. Those people who are interested to join SQL Linux and Oracle DBA, they can go through, and combo offers are also going on. So coming to the Oracle DBA, if you think that you are already good with the SQL and Linux, you can directly join Oracle DBA. Those people who are not comfortable with SQL and Linux, you think that you have only basic knowledge, go with the SQL Linux and Oracle DBA. The batch which you are going to start is Monday to Thursday. That's the timing. Monday to Thursday we are going to start. The timing will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is the timing. IST, it is an Indian timing, okay? IST timing. We are going to start this batch from the next week. I think we have only 10 vacancies are available at this point in this batch. Only 10 vacancies, because we have already got all the admissions. So 10 vacancies are there. So that's the thing. Those people who are interested to join this, they can WhatsApp us on this number 77570. Sorry, +91 77 570 62955. On this number you can WhatsApp us or call us. If you want to know more about like what is our syllabus, how's our training and all, you can visit our website learnome.org. There I have already explained about all the syllabus and all. You can go here, open this website, and if you go here, you can see, click on the trainings and Oracle DBA syllabus, RAG DBA syllabus, all the syllabuses are over here. So you can reach out to us on this number. This is the number of our website. Okay. We have a different times are also there. Okay. Don't worry about the timings. We have a different timings are also there. We have a morning batch, we have a evening batch. We have one more timing is there, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST for Oracle DBA. This timing is also there. We have weekend batch also there. Right now we are starting our weekend batch, which is from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. IST. This is only on Saturday and Sunday. And this batch, it is on Monday to Thursday. So timing is not a problem. We have multiple timings are there on multiple days. Uh, the good thing about the training is that you are going to get the recordings also. Okay. So whenever if you missed any things, the recordings are available. And yes, okay. After the training, very important is you'll be getting the job assistance. So whenever there is any vacancies available in the market, and we have like the people are reaching out to us sometimes, so we are going to share that vacancies with you. Another thing is we will help you with the all interview questions. All interview questions you will get it. Whatever courses which are available on our website, everything you will get free of cost. These are the paid courses are there, so you will get it free of cost. Okay. And we will help you with the resume preparation. So it is not just about training. We are focusing on like how you can start your career as Oracle DBA. So from very basic to slowly we will go to the advanced part. Okay. So anyone can start their career as a Oracle DB. If you see our LinkedIn page, many times we are posting the achievements of our candidates, those who got placed to the multiple companies. Okay. So we are doing that. So don't worry about the things. So what I will do, if you have any questions, queries, anything, I'll just unmute. You can ask your queries and we can discuss about the things. Yes. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'll just discuss about that. So just wanted to tell you one more update, guys.